Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
We're eating breakfast.
With the sun on our face. Great. Look, we finally found the north. Well, kind of the north. So it's sunny and it's warm. I'm only wearing this t-shirt and I'm really okay with the weather.
Well,
I love this. I'm happy.
I'm also a bit cold now. In the shade you're cold, but not in the shade you'll find.
Okay.
Basically, the plan for the day, again, enjoy the day as it is, because tomorrow we have the roadworthy check. So fingers crossed that's all going fine. And we need to do our paperwork today. So we need to print all our documents out, make the purchase of this car official.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I can't wait.
Look at that. He's getting ready. On the go.
There you go. Done. Kind of.
Off to get our paperwork done.
Yeah.
In this lovely sun. And then we're gonna go to the
Bit. That's what we like. Time for some beach again. But now with the volleyball. Finally, my fantasy.
nearly on the baby. No, wait.
Ole! With the sun. Oh, and there he goes for a 1 kilometer run. Then he comes back, and it's my turn to run 1 kilometer. In the meantime, time to chill, take some sun.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Now it's your turn. 1 kilometer. Then it's my turn again. Let's go as quick as you can. Here we go. Okay, you can start straight away from here then. For the kilometer run. And already pain. Oh, ta 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 ta.
Oh, and by the way, here's the result of playing volleyball. So nice. By the way, this is the result of playing volleyball. Oopsie. That human being has abandoned me. He said 1 kilometer. It's definitely done more than 1 kilometer. It has done. My bet is that it has done 3 kilometers. Because I've been a little bit lazy and I said to him that I was not going to do all of the 5 rounds.
There she is. The last rounds. Finito. Okay, so we're walking to our destination with all our food, all our clothes and everything, because
We are staying in a hostel
hostel.
today
Yes.
because in order to get the paperwork for the van that we need to have a proof of
Residence. Yeah.
So yeah, we need to stay once.
But it was pretty cheap, right? It was cheaper, yeah, cheaper than the other hostel.
cheap.
Like 50 Australian dollars plus breakfast plus dinner. So actually really good, and it's a double bed instead of a single one. So
Super nice.
kind of nice, yeah. It's like 30 euros. So really good. So we're gonna do that right now. We need to walk another kilometer. We've already been walking a kilometer, and then we're finally there. But it looks nice. Nice little grass areas, super expensive places.
Yeah.
Insane. And also we haven't printed nothing.
Yeah, because the place where we wanted to print the things did not print things. Well,
No.
they printed pictures and like photos.
Correct.
But not really papers.
So hopefully the hostel does it.
Yeah, we will probably do it in the hostel, so that's even better.
And if not, the library tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because they are also not open tomorrow today.
Yeah, we are not in a rush. That's
Nah.
no problem.
Tomorrow we kind of want to leave though.
Yeah, hopefully.
That would be nice. Yes.
And this is heavy. My toes. This I want food. Okay, so we got another too good to go.
This is a lot though, eh?
It looks like a lot. Ah! Sorry. So,
we have prawns.
yum.
Prawns. And then we have 2 packets. This one. This is tuna.
Sushi. Oh my god, I'm gonna love this.
Tuna. Ooh. This is also pretty expensive. Look.
And so good.
So
For
good.
$10, right?
For $10, so that's like €6. Really cheap.
So good.
Really
And we are at the beach, which
Look
is
at this.
terrible.
Oh no, it's not the.
It's,
Look, something else.
it's one prawn.
Yeah, one prawn
And then one
only
roll. Nice.
Pretty good for the money. Really nice. Okay.
That's it. But it is the beach. It's full of people. We don't like this. And that girl was trying to eat our food. Good. Terrible. You look really good.
We ate it in 10 minutes.
Was it nice?
It was really good. I liked it. For €6, that much food, pretty good. Next time, what we're gonna do? So they didn't even check or nothing. They were like, "Oh, too good to go," and we're like, "Yeah." And then we're like, 1, 2, and we're like, "Yeah, 1." Next time we're gonna say 2, and see what happens.
Like 1 or 2 packages.
Yeah, correct. So then we say 2, and then we actually bought 1, and then see what happens.
Because they don't check nothing.
No,
they just
didn't check nothing. And
Yeah,
usually you need
there
to
you go.
swipe, and tap away, and then they need it right in front of their face. But with this one, no. So that's great.
Yeah, you can even not have nothing. You're like, oh yeah, too good to go.
Yeah. Too good to go, thank you, bye. So we're gonna do that tomorrow, hopefully. Bye. Okay, I'm standing in a line of free food, and Sandra is doing our food as well. So we're doing food for tomorrow and free food right now, but this line is so long. Crazy, absolutely crazy. I don't even know why I'm doing this. I'm not even hungry.
Why are we in a line? In a queue?
I already explained this.
Ah, where?
Pizza. I didn't explain that.
So nice.
A lot of people. Pizza, free food. Never say no to free food. Never say no to free food. Do you hear me? Never say no. Look at that. Our food for tonight. 3 slices of pizza.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Yes.
Look at that.
I'm not even that hungry from the
No, me neither. But
sushi, but well, it's free food and free pizza.
and then tomorrow free breakfast. All good. Hoppa. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in a hostel, and I am absolutely tired. We just posted our video.
Well, you just posted.
Yeah, we just waited to post our video, but now we're gonna go to sleep, and tomorrow we'll do our paperwork, and are going to get the car checked. So, greatness. Let's hope for the best. Time to sleep.
Good night.
Time to sleep. Good night, Musus.
Love you.
Meow meow. And Cristiano Ronaldo is the best. Love you. Bye.